Okay, guys. So I woke up this morning and I walked to my living room. And I saw this. I didn't know what it was, but yeah, I didn't open it because my grandma was there. I thought she'd get mad or something. I don't know. But I got around and she's not here. No one's here, so I took it to my room to unbox it, see what's in. Okay. Bags. Empty box of paper clips. Manual? What is this? Huh. I haven't really seen this before. It's like a cord that goes to nothing because it's like a blunt end. It's not focusing, but that's okay. I don't know. Let's get to the big stuff. This is a stereo system? That is pretty cool. Look at that. It's actually pretty badass. Hell. Some user manual, okay. So, let's see. I'm gonna read up on the user manual and then I'll be back. Never mind, we can screw that. I'll just experiment. Cause is this tied together? What do I do with the other cord? I don't really need that. Oh, gosh, dang it. Gotta be careful. Okay. So, let's get to unwrapping. No, let's not do that. Let me look inside stuff first. Well, I mean, we can't look inside these, but we can probably look inside this. Ooh! Okay, that was weird. I shouldn't have done that. Okay, so. Does this, like, have a rubber thing, too, on it? No, it doesn't. Not focusing on the thing I want to. Focus on no. Focus on that. It's not focusing on what I want it to. It's focusing on everything but I want it to. But it doesn't have a end. Like it doesn't have a rubber tip like this does. But you can't, that's not even the right thing. Okay, hang on. Let me get this unwrapped. So I'm unwrapped the cord that went to this. And I don't know if you can tell the difference, but there's a black tip, see, that can come off. This one, this right, don't lose it. This one does not have that, see? So, I don't know. Okay, I need to put this back on there. Hang on. So put that back on here. Now let's look at the back of this thing. Okay, now. Does this have a white? Yeah, so I'm assuming. Yes. Whoa. So we have. Focus on the words. Come on, focus. Okay, what if I can hold still too? That'll probably help. Here we go. Focus on the words. Auction, lining. Do we have? What is that? Speaker cut. Headphone. And then disc DC in. Of all these. Oh, okay, this might be an interesting video. Actually. It's pretty cool. It might have great sound quality. It may not. It's very lightweight, like. Ooh. Logan, be careful. See, like, it's a very lightweight. See, like the speakers are. So, I don't know if it's good or bad, but yeah, it's very lightweight. I can do that. Oh, I need to be careful. I'm very undelicate. This is very lightweight too, so I can easy. All right. So I'm gonna try to figure this out. I'll get back to you. I'm dumb, guys. I'm dumb. I am dumb. I decided not to read the user manual. I can't figure it out. So I'm gonna read the user manual this time, actually. If I can. Well, it's a heated bed manual, not the thing manual. So I actually have no idea what to do. So if you guys have any clue, you guys tell me in the comments. So I don't. There's a cord. There's all these hookups. There's this cord here that has that rubber tip. And then there's this cord here that doesn't have the rubber tip on it, but still blank in. And there's the back where all the hookups are. And yeah, tell me. This might be a very boring video. This might be interesting to a lot of people. I don't know. But yeah, goodbye. Oh, Jesus.